Alright guys, here is part 3 of your fuel filter change. I started this at about 9:15. It's now 9:45, and I was thinking it was going to take a lot longer, but I found out some tricks and I hope that these help you. So these are your fuel filter bolts on each one. This is the front side. These are your bracket bolts. They're really small, so that was actually, I thought I had broke it, to be honest, but I realized it's just a really small 14, no, 13 millimeter. No, my mistake. 12. This is a 12 millimeter bolt you're gonna need. These are 17s, and as you can see, the easiest thing I found out is you need to have an extension that's at least 22 and a quarter is what I came up to. So I put a couple of pieces together to make it work. I didn't have a full extension. I know they make full extensions for the socket wrench, and so I highly recommend that you get that because it'll be a lot easier. I just did this with 3/8. So once you get there, you go underneath your vehicle, and what I had done, I guess I can show you real quick. As you already know, take off your front wheel, let it just drain out, and I ended up going straight through right behind my tie rod and my sway bar, and they're easily accessible. It would have been nice if my extension pieces were maybe 30 inches. That would probably make it fully easy, but I wouldn't go over that. Cracked them and let everything bleed out, and that was actually a lot more simple of a process than I was making it out to be. And then reassembly, you're going to have kind of these washers slash gaskets. You'll have one that goes on the end here of the bolt, and then you'll have your supply gas line, and then you'll put another washer, and then you'll just reinstall. I don't know what the torque specs are on these, but I don't think they're going to be very tight, because it seems like they were just snug and I broke them. So I didn't use any PB blaster or any kind of liquid wrench or whatnot. So hopefully that was helpful, guys. Like I said, it was done within the last at least half hour. So that was actually really exciting to me. I was waiting for a lot more. Again, this is a genuine product from Toyota. And if you have any questions or concerns, thanks for tuning in. Ask away, and hope you have fun today working on your cruiser. Later, guys.